Hello everyone, MPX Autos James here. How are you today? In this video we would like to share how the super wide angle anti-glare and night vision high definition one, but built in with the dynamic steering wheel sensor reverse camera is working in a Toyota Camry Altis 2008 MY 2009. This one fit with our premium head unit 9-inch in the front, and you already know what is the premium package we have. It's beautiful one now, running wireless CarPlay and Android Auto efficiently and high performance, boosting up the sound system in the car straight away up to a higher level, and combined with all steering wheel control. Now it is the best camera. Look at it, super clear and detailed, showing the bottom tow bar, the bottom screen and the bumper bar. Now we have steering wheel guide light and we are reversing. Okay, look, we turn the wheel and it go like that. Now we go straight, okay, and it goes straight again. That is how actually the dynamic steering wheel sensor in this reverse camera is working, and the same when you swing the wheel to the other side. But we are doing this in the HEADUNIT section, so we just want to demonstrate how it actually is working, and hopefully this will be very helpful for someone to make the decision. And thanks again for watching, and hopefully you enjoy our video. And we have more videos showing about the premium system here and the camera, and even how to install the camera in other videos in our channel. Feel free to check it up. Thanks again, have a good day.